Here we've got Apple on the monthly. You can see it's had a great advance, had a big move up, correction, and you could see that it broke to new highs here. Now, a lot of times these moves tend to exhaust themselves, and there's when it starts to break the initial first high here, because you can consider this possibly like, depending on how you look at things, a three wave, then you see the fourth wave correction and a 5 wave, and this should be the last one. Now, that doesn't mean that, this stock may not split or may not advance maybe to 230, 228 range. That's where you could see some first initial maybe resistance here, and I do believe that you could see, if you break there, maybe 240, but I believe you're starting to see this move's going to get a little bit toppy here now, and that doesn't mean that this won't eventually do real well, consistently, but I do believe on the short term it may be getting a little ahead of itself, and it may need to go through a little corrective action at least, and I do believe that's probably going to come pretty soon here. I do think it's got a little bit more, but I would be watching on a little longer term here that you're going to go through some kind of corrective action with it. But as far as Apple, I mean, it's been doing really well overall in market share and in innovation, and that always translates to really good share prices. But if you're looking at from a standpoint here, technically, when we saw the major move here, you could see that it had a full retracement here, 61% retracement of the main move, and it held that. So this gives more validity to this price target as a potential area where you may start to see a little toppiness, because you could, if you see this and it worked off of this retracement, then it adds a little bit more possibility as that a potential target. Anyway, I do think that you could see a little corrective action here, but again, do like the stock long term. Anyway, that's it for Apple. Become a member now. Let us show you the next breakout stock. Happy trading.